Namaste, Vanakkam. Tributes to Swami Vivekananda ji. Live long, Viswaguru Bharat, particularly Vivekananda way of making Viswaguru. Bharat is already a Viswaguru for the past thousands of years. It was showing ways and means to all over the world. However, now we have to regain the glory, the lost glory, by following Swami Vivekananda's ways and means, particularly Advaita Vedanta. Oneness, existence of oneness should be followed as per the guidelines of Swami Vivekananda, so that we can certainly achieve Viswaguru Bharat. Bharat will show ways and means to the whole world, following Vivekananda's spiritual way of life, nation-building way of life, oneness, as he told in Advaita. We have to give character-building education. For example, the character-building education is missing. That is the reason many criminals today, after the arrest, police has found out that they are even well-educated. That means well-educated means the good education is not given. They call the degrees and diplomas as well-educated. But truly, character building is not taken place. In those days, criminals were illiterates or totally school dropouts. Today, graduates have become criminals means we did not follow Vivekananda ji's way of education. So in education, social harmony, compassion, particularly the way he says, arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is achieved. All our youth should follow that. Nation first. Nation building is first. Then taking care of the whole world. The Bharat should continue to remain to be the guiding spirit for all the countries, brothers and sisters of the world, for which universal religion, God in all, Vedanta in divinity, self-belief and strength, service, karma yoga, fearlessness and courage, concentration. The power of concentration is the key of knowledge. All these things are to be emulated among youth of our nation, for which, again, we all strongly believe that Swami Vivekananda's Viswaguru Bharat, the ways and means what he has shown to us need to be followed, so that certainly Viswaguru Bharat will be Viswaguru, the whole world will follow. I take this opportunity to congratulate organizing team for making these types of videos and creating awareness and regaining the lost glory of great nation, Viswaguru Bharat. I am Panchanatham, Vice Chancellor, Gandhigram Rural Institute, deemed to be University under the Ministry of Education. I sincerely thank all of you for listening to me, and you have given me an opportunity to express my views. Thank you. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.